Now, as we are done with launching the website, the next task is to read the values from the data table and enter them into the respective fields available in the site. So these are the respective fields into which we have to start entering the data. Before that, before entering the data into the website, let's try to fetch the information first. To fetch the information from a data table, we have an activity available in the UiPath called for each row. You can drag it right here, and the input stored is our data table, and the output is index. So the input will be data table. The data table that we have is with the name dt, so that is what we are going to do. We are passing dt over here. Select this and we are done. So this will take us through each and every record available in this particular Excel. Fine. Let's see if we are able to fetch each value. To check that, you can take the help of message box, and so every time, okay, the first row available in this will be available in this particular row, and as it iterates over this particular activity, the second row will go in the second time, third row will go into this row the third time, and so on. So for the first time, this particular row, if I just click over here, this particular row followed by this particular row name. If I just copy this and paste it over here, will contain the first name. Okay, I'm just saving this, and what I will do is I will close this particular section. Okay, and I'm closing this too. So this is like we have John, Jane, Albert, Michael, right? So I'm trying to run this particular file. So here is the input file data, and is trying to open the website and see. This time we are getting the values. First time it's John, second Jane, Albert, Michael, let's see, Stan, Michael, Stacy, Lara. That's done. Okay, so we were able to fetch the data from that particular data table. Once that is done, you can similarly check for all the values available in that. Okay, such as last name. Okay, similarly you can do it for all other fields available in that. Company name, I'm just copying it, pasting it right here. This is how you can just cross check. If you run it, you will find it will display all those values from first row to the 10th row. Okay, done.